Hey guys, Taylor here with another video. Now, if you've ever been in a situation where there's a medical emergency, one of the first things that people usually say is, do you have a first aid kit? First aid kits can be very handy in a pinch, especially where time is of the essence. They're also fantastic to take with you to places where you may not have quick access to medical facilities. This can be things like hiking or camping. Well, we've done a ton of research on first aid kits, and today we're going to be breaking down the list of some of our top choices and going through the benefits and features of each to see which might be right for you in your particular situation. As always, I will have links to each of these products in the description below, so feel free to check them out there. Also, if I happen to find any discounts or deals, I'll drop those down below for you as well. So first up, we have the best overall first aid kit, and that's going to be the First Aid Only All-Purpose First Aid Kit. Now, this first aid kit is definitely the complete package. It comes with 299 doctor-recommended supplies, and it's all packaged into a soft-sided case measuring just 9.25 by 7.5 inches. Basically, it's about the size of a hardcover book. But in it, you'll find all the tools needed to treat just about everything from a scraped finger to a heavily bleeding gash to a mild headache or even fever. It features comprehensive wound cleaning and closure supplies, and also multiple butterfly strips, gauze rolls, pads, and several types of bandages. Not to mention tons of other antibiotic wipes to make sure that everything is staying clean and sanitized. This is definitely a fantastic option to take with you on the go or to leave in your home in the event of emergency. Again, it does come packed with a wide assortment of items to make sure that you're able to treat just about anything that may come up. Next up, we have the best first aid kit for the office, and that's going to be the Be Smart Get Prepared 250-piece first aid kit. Now, this one is OSHA and ANSI compliant and covers the first aid needs of up to 50 people, so this is a great option for those of you who are in an office setting. Now, this kit is definitely targeted at being able to support a wide range of people. As such, it's not a great travel option. It does come in a bulky hard case to keep it protected in a public setting. It's also not watertight or resistant to moisture, so this is definitely not one that you're going to want to take with you on the go when you're hiking or backpacking or camping. This does feature a ton of wound care components, things like alcohol prep pads, antiseptic towelettes, and multiple bandages in various sizes. It also does come with a ton of typical medicines in it. Normally, you'd have to find many of these medicines at home, but it does come packed with things like pain and anti-inflammatory tablets and antacids. It also does include cold packs, which is a handy feature for when ice is not nearby. So guys, if you are looking for the best first aid kit for an office, then definitely check out the Be Smart Get Prepared 250-piece first aid kit. Next up, we have the best first aid kit for disaster preparedness, and that's going to be the Lightning X First Responder First Aid Kit. Now, this one comes packed with comprehensive supplies and has advanced medical gear and does come with a great backpack for easy transport. Now, this first aid kit is definitely going to be overkill for the typical family home, but again, for those of you that want to be ready for just about any disaster, this can be a great option for you. It comes with tons of bandages, rolls, and pads of gauze, antiseptic wipes, ointments, tapes, and tons more. It even includes things like a stethoscope, airway kit, and other more advanced medical tools. This is basically a mobile trauma center, and it covers all the basics of immediate first aid care. As I mentioned, it does come in a great lightweight ergonomic backpack with padded straps and reflective stripes, so it's great for those of you that have a go bag set up and want to be able to grab something and go at the drop of a hat. Just note that this one is definitely geared more towards emergency response professionals to use in the field. But for those of you with some more advanced medical knowledge, it can be a great option to have with you in the home. Next up, we have the best budget first aid kit, and that is going to be the Coleman All-Purpose Mini First Aid Kit. Now, this one costs less than a cup of coffee, but it could come in very handy. This one is definitely for minor issues like cuts, scrapes, burns, and bites. It has a charming little tin can, and it's packed with several antiseptic wipes, antibiotic ointment, sting relief wipes, and a total of 16 bandages in 5 different sizes and shapes. There's even a razor blade there for cutting away clothing or trimming medical tape, as well as a pair of safety pins. So again, if you're just looking for something small to maybe throw in your car dash, this can be a great option, and we highly recommend checking out the Coleman All-Purpose Mini First Aid Kit. Anyway guys, if you are in the market for a new first aid kit, maybe you're worried about oncoming disaster, or perhaps you just want some peace of mind with your family, hopefully this video was helpful in choosing the right first aid kit for your particular situation, and if it was, please feel free to give me a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Just a reminder, I will include links to each of these products in the description below, so you can check them out there if you're interested. As well, if I happen to find any discounts, deals, or coupon codes, I'll drop those down below for you as well. Also, if you do happen to have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop them below. I do love getting to answer as many of those as possible. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching today, stay safe out there, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.